What's up, guys? It's me, Misha. Welcome to another video. In this video, we're at a place that's familiar to people who watch some of my older videos. Yes, this is the Edgewater Resort in Ephraim, Wisconsin. The system is an Edgewater system, and it's on AC. But there could be a panel. There's actually been some places that I missed in the first video. And this time, I'm actually staying at this hotel. Last time, I came to eat at the post office restaurant. There's the fire for the fish boil. Anyways, so my camera's battery's a bit low, so I need to make this video a bit snappy. So, yeah. Our first stop is the gym. This is the gym where the one classmate in my school does not go to. Here is another integrity horn, ESL smoke detector, and a strobe, and a pull station. And this was another part of the building I completely missed in the first video, which is right up here. So here's lots of ESL smoke detectors down here, and there's also a few integrities, and that 270 SPO over there. Yeah. For a second I thought these were actually two hotel rooms. Yeah. There's the Stopper Edwards pull station that was in my previous video. Now we have to go up here. Another Potter bell. Another standpipe. Another 270 SPO and exit sign. Standpipe. ESL smoke detector 270 SPO. And here's some sprinklers. Another ESL integrity carbon monoxide detector. Here is another ESL smoke detector. And here's a stairwell from my last video. Here's the standpipes and 270 SPO. So anyways, time to go back outside, and yeah. So yeah, this is the video. I hope you liked today's video. If so, be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to not miss another video of Misha S. Bye.